Multiplying monomials, lesson 4.1 notes. Example number 4. The length of a rectangular prism is 2a squared b. Its width is 3ab to the sixth, and its height is 6a cubed b squared c. Write an expression for its volume. V equals length times width times height. So this is the formula we will use to find the volume. Now we're not going to find a numeric value. The final answer will be an expression. All right, let's start with the fact that it says that the rectangular has a length of 2a squared b. It has a width of 3ab to the sixth, and a height of 6a cubed b squared c. So I'm going to write these out like this. So the length is 2a squared b, the width is 3ab to the sixth, and the height is 6a cubed b squared c. Okay. So, the formula is volume equals length times width times height. So I'm going to take this times this times this. Well, before I do that, let's put in our ones that we would need. All right? If you need to, pause your video and get all this written down. Okay, so the ones that I need for the length, I need a 1 on my b. I need a 1 as an exponent on the a for the width, and for the height, I need it on the c. Now, I want you to put parentheses around this, around that, and around that. So put parentheses around the length, put it around the width, and put it around the height. Now we're ready to sub those numbers in to the equation. I'm going to move it over just slightly. So volume equals, we've got 2a squared b to the first. Width is 3a to the first, b to the sixth. And the height is 6a cubed b squared c to the first. All right, when you multiply monomials, the first thing we want to do is our groupings. So first, I'm going to group together my coefficients. So I have a coefficient of 2, 3, and 6. So I'm going to group together 2 times 3 times 6. Now I will group together I have variables a, b, and c, so going alphabetical order, I'm going to group together the a. So I have a to the second, a to the first, and a cubed. A to the second, a to the first, and a cubed. Right? The next variable is the b. So I'll list all my b terms. I've got b to the first, b to the sixth, and b squared. Again, I've got b to the first, b to the sixth, and b squared. Last, I have my c terms. And if you look at all of this, the only c term I have is c to the first. Okay. Now we're ready to multiply the coefficients. We're going to multiply the coefficients. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Now we're going to multiply the variable terms by adding the exponents. So for the a's, I've got 2 plus 1 plus 3, and that would give me a to the sixth. For the b's, 1 plus 6 plus 2, That would give you 9. And c would just stay c to the first. And because it's our final answer, I don't need to worry about the 1. So our final answer to this problem will be the volume is 36 a to the 6th, b to the 9th, c, and then we don't know the units, so we're going to put units cubed. So again, the volume is 36 a to the 6th, b to the 9th, c, units cubed. Or cube units would also work. All right, that is it for example number 4. And that's it for the multiplying monomials notes. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.